Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now let's tap on the display. Here let's enter the wallpaper, and as you can see here we've got 3 different albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we can choose it from live wallpapers, from the photos, so this is actually your own gallery, or the wallpapers which are defaultly installed on this device, and I will pick this option. And as I said, here we've got some options from which we can choose. What's more, if you've changed your mind, you can always tap on my photos and then you will be transferred to your gallery. So in order to check the preview of the wallpaper, just tap on it, and as you can see it immediately appears on the full screen. And if you're happy with your choice, just tap on this tick icon to set the wallpaper. And right now you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will pick both options. So let me tap on it, and let's go back and check. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied to the home page. Let's check the lock screen also, and the same situation, it is visible right here. So actually this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Xiaomi Mi A2 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.